Okay, so let's create another rectangle, 6 feet by 6 feet. So again, let's switch into a view that you have more sky over, like that, and then make a rectangle, and we want it to be on this face. So make sure you press Shift to put it in that face, and then you basically just, whoop, I think you can. Let's just do this here because it's thinking I wanted to still put it on the ground or something. Whoop, there you go. So once I have that green, I put in 6 feet, comma 6 feet, right? And then I move that apart. I go to my select button, triple click, 1, 2, 3, and then move that away 3 feet. And then I'm going to use the push pull button here and push it again back 6 inches. So I can just type 6 by default. Okay. And then I want to make it a group. So triple click, 1, 2, 3, and then right click and then make a group. Okay. And then we're going to draw our hole here. And this time we're going to draw um, something very unique. So I'm going to double click to edit the group. I'm going to use my pen tool, and then I can just simply form a shape that I want. You can always switch whatever shape you want. Oops. And so we're trying to make it look like a bird. There you go. Okay, once you have the shape done, you need to inspect whether it's all flat. And you can see some of the shapes are raised up. So that means you need to erase those that are raised up because it's supposed to be always flat. Okay, always you want to draw something that's always flat on the surface. Okay, and again, inspect it. You can see again something is raised. Okay, so we need to erase these 3 lines. And you'll know that something's wrong with your drawing because these lines appear thicker. Because if everything is flat, um, it's supposed to be on the ground. Oh, there you go. See how it became thin? Okay. Yeah, it's going to turn into thin lines if the shape is all flat and it's connecting to each other. Okay. So once you have the shape, you can double click the inside and then it'll select everything. And you can actually move this inside the shape and sort of eyeball how it's centered. Okay. Once you are satisfied with its location, you can now use your push pull and simply pull it and touch the back corner. And there you go. You have your unique hole. Okay. It's shaped like a bird. Okay. Right click and close the group and save your work and simply zoom out. Okay. This time we're going to go into this view. Okay. And then we're going to simply again put our name here. And as I told you, SketchUp updated their buttons. So we're going to do a 3D text. And we wanted a height of 3 feet. And we wanted our last name, okay, and our first name. And click OK. And I simply put that on the ground. Okay, so as long as the green axis is towards this side, the red axis towards this side, and the blue axis towards that side, then we're good to go. Okay, so simply click anywhere, and then you are now ready to take a picture of this one. So in my case, I am using a snipping tool, so I'm gonna take a picture of this one. I'm going to go to my Google Drive. I'm going to create a new Google document, and I'm going to label this SKP4. I'm going to again insert a chart. I mean, not a chart, but a table, 2 by 3 or a 3 by 2. And then I'm going to label this 1, and I'm going to paste that there. And then I'm done with my first drawing for our SKP4. Okay.